My sister and I have been doing DIY projects together for over a year now. It's our favorite thing to do. We have built from picture frames, headboards, doll beds.
Oh my gosh, doll beds are my favorite.
Okay, so here are the doll beds that Haley and I built together, and when it was time to sand, we knew that we needed the Gator products to help get the job done. So what we did is we got the micro zip out for the detailed parts, this mosaic and the herringbone, and then we got the big sponges out for the larger sections.
But I'm really excited about what we're gonna do today. I've been asking all week if we could do it.
All right, well, let's go get our tools. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing a really fun DIY project. We're gonna be doing a blanket ladder, and the tools that we're gonna need are a miter saw, a drill, and some sandpaper. I cannot believe we are out of sandpaper.
Again, I know.
Yeah. All right, let's see. We need
Oh yeah, those are
zip.
the best.
and we need 80, 120,
And 150 for sure.
and 220.
Oh yeah, 220.
Definitely.
Never mind. Thank you.
Thank you.
I hope it doesn't rain because then we have to wait like tomorrow.
Oh yeah, better not rain on us. All right, let's get started. And let's get out all of the Gator stuff.
This is gonna be a good project.
It is. Now, put on your safety glasses. And then now we have to measure 2 boards that are 5 feet. All right, so now we're gonna cut these 2, and then we'll cut this one to a bunch of 18 pieces. Good. All right, so these 2 are done. These are our long pieces, and then we're gonna cut the 18-inch pieces. All right, so before we put them together, it'll make it easier if we sand them. We're gonna start with 80 grit because that's the lowest, and then we'll work our way up to 220. And I'm gonna work with the larger sponge. You're gonna work on the edges. And if you hold it, so here's a spot for your finger. If you hold that like this, then you can put.
Oh yeah, that's.
There you go.
That
Nice job. So now that we did 80 on them, I'm gonna go down to 120 and you can go down to 122.
I love doing this with my sister. Okay.
Good job. All right, I think we're good. All of these small pieces are done. So let's move them to the side. And now let's start the big pieces. And then we're done. All right, let's get that.
Oh my gosh, it's already fading. I see it.
Yeah. We make a good team. It's going really well. The sandpaper works and makes the job a lot more fun and easy. All right, so let's put these pieces under it. Let's go down maybe
Right here?
10 inches. Let's do 10 inches. So let's map it out. 10. Yep, 10. I'll show you the first one.
Okay.
So you're gonna go on X marks the spot. Go, pull the trigger. Keep going. Pull it faster. Done.